If you have a pattern that tells you to make a bunch of chain stitches as your first row, it means it wants you to make what's called a foundation chain. And to start a foundation chain, you need a slip knot. And if you're right-handed, you want that knot to be to the left of your hook. And if you're left-handed, you want that knot to be to the right of your hook. Then we are going to get into crocheting position and hold on to your piece as close to that slip knot as possible. Then do a yarn over. Remember, that's bringing the yarn over the top of your hook. In case that gets a little confusing, you can also think of it as pushing your hook into the yarn. Then we're going to bring that yarn through the loop on your hook. So remember, to make it easier for that to happen, rotate your hook down so that it mimics the shape of the loop on your hook, and then pull it through and then push your hook over to your yarn hand. And there you have one V. That is a chain stitch. Woohoo! Now I'm just gonna make some more. So I made one. I'm gonna repeat it again slowly with you. Notice how I've adjusted my hand, by the way, to hold on to the piece as close as possible again to the hook. I did not leave my hand down here. I actually moved my grip. That way the chain won't be twisted. So let's do one more chain stitch together slowly. Make sure your hook is in front of the working yarn. Then yarn over, and then bring that yarn through the loop that's on your hook. And that is a second V, therefore a second chain stitch. So keep going and make as many as the pattern that you have tells you to. And remember to keep on adjusting your grip every few stitches so that your final foundation chain comes out straight. And by straight, I mean that all the V's are all facing the same direction and not all twisted around like this, which is what could happen if you hold onto your piece only by the very bottom.